For bathrooms, choose vinyl plank flooring that is explicitly waterproof and rated for high moisture environments. Start by selecting a rigid core waterproof construction with a dense stone plastic composite or wood plastic composite core, because that prevents swelling and maintains dimensional stability under fluctuating humidity. Look for a full click locking system with a tight tongue and groove fit so seams remain tight and water does not infiltrate the joints. Installers should also bevel and seal perimeter gaps with appropriate caulk where the floor meets fixed wet fixtures. Pick planks with a commercial grade wear layer of at least 20 mil for residential bathrooms that see heavy use, and choose an embossed texture matched to the printed design to reduce toe marking and slipping when wet. Opt for a matte or low sheen finish because high gloss highlights scratches and water streaks more easily. Always acclimate planks in the bathroom environment for at least 48 hours if the manufacturer recommends it, and follow the specified substrate preparation steps, such as ensuring the subfloor is flat to 1/8 inch over 10 feet and free of moisture over the manufacturer threshold. When installing over plywood or cement, use a thin layer of compatible underlayment or a manufacturer-approved adhesion system to control minor subfloor imperfections and to improve sound and comfort underfoot. For maintenance, clean with a pH-neutral cleaner, avoid steam mops which can degrade joints over time, and replace threshold or caulk immediately if you observe persistent seepage. Common mistakes include installing non-waterproof luxury vinyl planks in a full bathroom, which leads to edge swelling and delamination. Prevent this by verifying the product is labeled as waterproof and designed for bathrooms before purchase. Relying on visual similarity alone and skipping the wear layer check results in premature surface wear and loss of warranty. Always confirm the mil rating and ask retailers or read technical data sheets for wear layer specifics. Neglecting proper transition and perimeter sealing lets water flow under the floor and causes subfloor damage. Apply flexible silicone or polyurethane caulk at perimeters and choose appropriate transition strips at doorways to channel water away. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and compare manufacturer recommendations and user feedback for bathroom flooring products. Our site connects contractors looking for work with homeowners and hosts a discussion community where members share real-world installation tips and brand performance experiences.